Hi everyone, today we're going to be looking at the Click PLUS software installation. Now, detailed information contained in the video can be found at accautomation.ca. A link has been put in the description below. If you have not watched the other videos yet, there'll be links in the description below that will start you at video 1. There'll be links to the rest of the videos in the series as well. So the first thing we'll do is head over to the AutomationDirect website, and on here you'll see all the latest software packages. If we click on the Click, then it will come up with version 3.00, which is a brand new release of the Click programming software package. Now you can have the Click version 3.00 as well as the previous version, which was the version 2.60 for those that are not the Click PLUS software package. So if you don't have a Click PLUS, you can use the old package, or you can use the new package with the Click, the existing Clicks as well as the Click PLUS. So we go over here and you can see also the system requirements for this is basically a 2 gigabyte free of RAM, 300 megabyte storage, and then our supported operating systems are anything from Windows 8 and above, so 8 to 10. Okay. So what we'll do is we have to download this product, so we just hit download. It will ask you for your email address, etc., and then it will start the download process. Once that happens, you will get the zip file, and what you do is open up the zip file, and we will double click on the install. And that will now start our installation. So we'll do our install software. Here we go. So it is now starting our installation. And then we'll hit next. And just ask us to make sure that we have disabled any of our antivirus software. We'll say OK. Then we have our acceptance of our license agreement. We accept that, hit next. And then we'll just hit install. So this is going to install this software package onto our computer. There we go. And maintenance is complete. Then we'll hit finish. So now our package is now installed onto our system. So next what we'll do is actually call up our software package, the Click PLUS. And here we go. So a few new features. So now we have a default password that we can click, where we can have with all of our Click PLCs. And this goes for our existing Click PLUS as well as our previous Ethernet ports. So they've actually, because of the software and because of the ability to put in a password, we have secured more of the controller. Then what we have is, so that's the user password. Then what we have is the new ribbon interface. So you can see here, this is very intuitive now, and a very nice interface that we can utilize. Next is we have our support for our Click PLUS PLCs. So these include our USB ports for programming. We have our Ethernet port, and we have our RS-232, 485. We have a wireless Bluetooth, as well as Wi-Fi, and then we have a micro SD in the C2-0.3 model. As well as you can see, every CPU also supports MQTT in the Click PLUS. So if we don't want to display this every time the software packages, we'll just hit that don't display, and then we'll close that. And then what you'll see is now we have, similar to our previous version, we will just say start a new project, and now we can select our CPU. You will notice that we have all the existing CPUs as well as the new ones here. And we can read in previous CPU models into this new Click PLUS software, which is version 3.00. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button below. If you have any questions about the video, please leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer it. If you want more information about us or you want our free ebooks on numbering systems or robust data logging, please click on the link in the description below to get it. A new video is put out every Monday, so make sure you hit the subscribe button so you get more videos like this in the future. Remember to click the bell beside your subscription to actually receive those notifications. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Stay safe.